Have you noticed that your hair has been falling out more than usual? Hair loss is one of the most common problems associated with physical appearance in the world. It affects both men and women. If you have noticed that a small amount of hair has fallen out, either in the shower drain or your brush, just know that this is perfectly normal. However, many times that's not the case. The strands begin to fall out in greater quantity, and before you realize it, you have already lost a lot of volume in your hair. Therefore, it's important to know the difference in hair loss and baldness. Baldness is more common in men and is caused by a powerful hormone which makes your hair thinner and causes it to fall out. Hair loss, on the other hand, is usually caused by emotional or nutritional factors, and for this reason, it's much easier to treat. Most of the time, the well-being of your hair depends solely on hormonal balance, body nutrition, and psychological factors like stress, depression, and anxiety. Fortunately, there are natural ingredients that, if applied regularly, bring several benefits to your hair without causing adverse effects. One of these ingredients is garlic. Its antibacterial properties are comparable to those of other conventional antibiotics, and for this reason, its application on the scalp can reduce bacteria and infections that cause itching and hair damage. It can also stimulate natural hair growth. Regular use of this oil also promotes blood circulation in the hair and stimulates the growth of hair follicles. Here's how to make your own garlic oil at home and end hair loss in a few days. Ingredients: 2 large garlic cloves, 8 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Instructions: put the ingredients in a pan on the stove and heat them up. Don't let the olive oil and garlic reach a boil. You should just warm them up. When you start to smell the oil, take the pan off the stove. Let the oil cool down and store it in a dark glass. Don't use it on the same day of preparation. Wait for 24 hours. You can apply it twice a week. Outside the refrigerator, this oil lasts 1 month. Refrigerated, it may last up to 2 months. Rest assured that your hair will not smell like garlic. That's because you will apply garlic oil to the hair, the entire length of the hair, for only 2 hours. Then wash it well with shampoo and conditioner. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.